Galing sa bayan ko, nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, mga pangyayari na naganap sa lupang pinangako. Listen up, yo, I got a story to tell. A version of my ghetto where life felt for real. Someone calling heaven to me, it was heaven. God gave me the ways, amazing ways of living. How would you feel if we had crack to build? Build a hut to live in, eating and chilling. Having to pump the water out of the ground. The way you put it out, utilizing what is around. Land from farming, river from fishing. Everyone helping each other whatever they get. We making it happen, from nothing to something. That's how we be surviving back at home. Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Ako'y madala-dala balita galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, ang mga pangyayari na gaganap sa lupa. Man, it feels good to be back at home. And it's been a decade on the journey all alone. I was 14 when I first left Philippines. I've been away half my life, doing next to my feet. When I'm home cooked meal, man. I felt complete, my emotions I feel now. Life fast changed for me in the U.S. But back at home, man, life was a mess. Yes, sometimes like stresses get you down. On your knees, so brother, wish I could help you out. Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Ako'y madala-dala galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, ang mga pangyayari na gaganap sa lupang pinangako. One more time, sing it with me, y'all. Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Ako'y madala-dalang balita galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, ang mga pangyayari na gaganap sa lupang pinangako. Mayo, pabengi po kabalin. Alright, we're gonna keep the party going, okay? Hola, hola, ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Hold on, take it back, hold on, take it back. Hold on, take it back. Rewind. Alright, Kabale, let me hear you say, hola, 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 So, alright, say hola, 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 ¿Cómo está? You have to answer me. Alright? We'll get this together. ¿Cómo está? Sabay naman. ¿Cómo está? Woo, there it is. All right, maestro. Let's keep the party going. There you go. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. Say hola, 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 ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Hola, 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 ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Say hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Say hey, ho, hey, work it, make sure it's worth it. Go rock that body, make sure it's perfect. Go ahead and twerk it, do it with purpose. Make me say, oh, got the gates and insurance. I like the way you do it, the way you break it down, make me wanna go pursue it. Sa iyong galaw, hindi ko matiis na, di mapagalaw. I like the way you drop it. Right now your booty is my number one topic. Amoy na tulala, para bang nagayuma sa katawan mo maganda. I like the way you shake it. Baby, if you have what you will get naked. I like the way you jiggle. Wiggle it. Hey, say hola, hola, hey.
Hola, hola, eh.
Como está? Como está?
Mabuti.
Hola, hola, hey.
Hola, hola, eh.
Como está?
Mabuti.
Como está?
Mabuti.
Throw your hands in the air and wave it like you just don't care. Throw your hands in the air and wave it like you just don't care. Throw your hands in the air and wave it like you just don't care. Throw your hands in the air and wave it like you just don't. We go hockey. We go hockey. Take it high, Filipino. Hoy pare, pakinggan niyo ako. Ito ng tinig na Filipino. Galing sa baryo sa Bato. Pumunta ng area ng trabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pang kumain ng katamay. Yung kane, sige na dobo. Yung malawin ibenta sa kanto. Tagay mo na nga ang baso. Pare ko, inom mo na ta.
Filipino.
Ikaw ang aking ikaw ang aking ikaw ay
Filipino.
basta mo magaganda dalaga. Nakapagigil ang beauty mo talaga. Loving hindi nakakasawa. Ikaw lang gusto mong kasama. Yung mahal mo hindi ko ay tutuwa. Gusto ko'y laging tumitibo. Wala kang katulad sa mundo ko. Pinay ka sigana.
Sige.
Maganda ka sigana.
Sige.
Kung buhay mo'y mahalaga.
Sige.
Salamat sa iyong suporta. Hey, this goes out to my queens. So Filipino queen. Filipino queen. Filipino queen. Filipino queen. We walking on a dream. She my Filipino queen. She my Filipino queen. She my Filipino queen. We walking on a dream. Got me walking on the cloud now. Now I'm Filipino where I'm proud now. I wanna show you a little how now. Where's nothing with the crowd down now? Love you down, love you down now. Love you all around like the rock sound. Telling everybody look what I've found. Got a riddle, lift me up, keep me on the ground. Shiver, pepper. Real love on another level. Girl, you will hit you with the hello. Girl, you will hit you with the hello. Always in front of my honey now. Be my buhay. Be my everything, todo, be guy. Please out there, make some noise. would connect like Wi-Fi. Mati 99, Mama 99. You my jelly, let me get some tie-tie. Then give me hollow, hollow, make it superstar. Yeah, you got me wanting up like upright. She my memo, memo. Girl, love, love, love. I'm gonna love, hello, hello. Girl, you want to with a hello, hello. Always and forever, my heart be that. Be my P9, be my Duhai. Be my everything, todo, we got. Do me wrong. Number one, Filipina, Filipina. Do me wrong. Number one, Filipina, Filipina. Filipina queen, Filipina queen, Filipina queen. We walking on a dream. She my Filipina queen. She my Filipina queen. She my Filipina queen. We walking on a dream. 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 Walking on a dream. We walking on a dream. Walking on a dream. We walking on a dream. Walking on a dream. Hey, all night long. Prove me wrong. Number one, Filipina, Filipina. Hey, Filipina, Filipina. You do me wrong. Number one, Filipina, Filipina. Do me wrong. Number one. Yes, that song is dedicated. That song is dedicated to my mom in Bato. Yung pinakamasika na Filipina queen. She's really strong. Growing up in Sapang, Bato, it didn't feel like we were poor because she was so resourceful. And I love my mom. And that's why who I am today, because of my mom. So I just want to dedicate that song to my mom. And your mom too, right? For all our moms. All right. Salamat for having me here tonight. This is very special to me. I spent a lot of years of my education in Sapang, Bato, and I remember before moving to the States, right? Kinunod kay Mako. Ma'am, ano kung makisali ka dyan, galing tao ka rin, kaya sa mag-English. Sabi na, basa may dictionary. Just to learn how to translate words, you know. But that was the best advice because when I started rapping, I knew a lot of vocabulary words, you know. Like I would, you know, my friends in States, may bigla na kasi kanal kong balong kaya speak English words, you know. When I started writing, I would write like, focus on this, that you're seductionist, more than lyricist in this rap metropolis, more like an activist, we give it to you all, presentation will make you have a ball, sounds like deceiving, causing you to meditate, manipulate the mind with hypnotic and legislate, we fight for the faith, we never fake move, but jealous motherfuckers simply just disapprove. So thank you, Mom, for making me read the dictionary. Because now my vocabulary is pretty big. This is, wow. It's a great time to spend this moment with my Kabalans and where I come from. And joke love you too. And thank you
this moment is about spending time with your family and giving back and sharing. So, nakamasalamat ka rin lugod you, right? No, where's the love? Oh, hold on. Maestro! Thank you. Balita ka doon, where's the love? So, where's the love? Oh, paloba dito kayo. Alright, you guys ready? Maestro, play Where's the Love?
Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho. Let me hear ya. Hey, 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 hey. What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world addicted to the drama, always attracted to things that don't bring the trauma. Overseas, we try to fight terrorism, but we still got terrorists still living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only got one for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate. And to discriminate only generates hate. But when you hate, you're about to get irate. Yeah, man, this is what you demonstrate. That's how the English regulations operate. Man, you gotta have love just to demonstrate. Take a fucking spot and better say, they just don't gravitate to the law. People killing people, children working, you practice what you preach, but you're turning others. Father, since the plan is wrong. People got me questioning. It's love. Where is the feel the weight of the world on my shoulder. As I get older, people get colder. Most of us only care about money. Selfishness got us following the road. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the big material. Infecting their own minds faster than bacteria. Kids run out like when they see in the city road. Whatever happened to the man of humanity? Whatever happened to the furnace of ecology? Instead of better than defending our democracy. Nothing but the same thing as the way for you to see. That's the reason why sometimes I'm alone. That's the reason why sometimes I'm alone. It's no other why sometimes I'm alone. I keep my faith and not alone. People dying. When you practice what you preach, but you're turning others. Father, since the plan is wrong. People got me questioning. Thank you, guys.
Balik na naman mic ka doon. Ang nangyari kayo ng meto. Alright. I got this brand new song that I want to try out right now. I don't know if I can do the whole thing, but I'll do some of it. Alright, this song is coming out this year, December 29th. This year is hip hop, my culture hip hop 50th anniversary. So we're celebrating hip hop 50 years already. So this is one of my dedicated song for the 50th anniversary. And all right, let's play, Maestro. No. We know that song. Never.
Hey! Dressed to kill, she's extra ill. Pass straight from Brazil in a diesel real. Body covered in the body in a back Chanel. She got the good girl style, but she holds it down. She got her own crib, she got her own whip. She in the spot popping fast off her own grip. She got a player for the hard on the own trip. We could be a Maltese, sick of bullshit. Something about the way you do, yeah, something about the way you do. You got the alligator make you move, you got an alligator break your rules. No lie, he can multiply, the light grow, you got me extra high. I want your body next to mine, baby, it's about time. I just wanna let you know, I could never let you go. Feeling like I could never move on, never. I just gotta let you know, without you it's impossible. Feeling like I could never move on, never. I feel like a bad sex driver Maserati. You got me revved up when I signed your Bugatti. Just gonna get a naughty, see my double cup shorty. One shot, two shot, ooh, she wanna party. Bro, say shit and watch the champagne pussy. You know what I mean, make no difference. We always on top, that's how we live it. You want a million, I don't need no other women, cause something about the way you do, yeah, something about the way you do. You hold me down, I'm in love, but lose, and that's the reason I fucks with you. No lie, we can multiply, and like grow, you got me extra high. I want your body next to mine, baby, it's about time. I just wanna let you know, I could never let you go. Feel like I could never move on, never. I just gotta let you know, without you it's impossible. Feeling like I can never move on, never.
Yo! You guys have a go!
You guys like it?
Hi, Magdalena. Wow. I love coming home to Sapang, Bato. I could have moved anywhere else, right? I could have moved to Manila but I decided to stay in Sapang, Bato because I want to make Sapang, Bato better. And I want to improve Sapang, Bato. And I haven't told my mom yet, but one of my gifts this year is to renovate the basketball court. We're gonna renovate the basketball court, make it like PBA, you know. Scoreboard, you know, top of the line, you know, because we deserve it, right? Yung kabataan natin, they deserve the best, you know, from education to sports and to schooling. We need the best for Sapang, Bato, right? Let's see. I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh wait, the time. We're doing the time. What's her name? There was a girl that sang earlier. Angela? Yeah. I'd like to bring back Angela out to help me out to sing the time. Make some noise! Angela, ready? I think kailangan tamong bayan so drop it. You guys can get up and dance. You can get up.
This is the International Big Mega Radio Smasher.
At the time of my life, and I feel the feel this way before, and I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you. We gon' take it to the top, so the roof can burn it down. It's hot in here, the temperature is not the same, it's getting really hurt. 'Cause I'm having a good time with you. I'm telling you, yeah, it's time of my life, and I never feel this way before, and I swear. This is true, and I owe it all to you. It's time of my life, and I never feel this way before, and I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you. You, Sapang Bato! Who's the baddest of the ball? Yeah, it's gotta be the apple of the back. Daddy, yo, haters better step back. Ladies, now look at that. I'm the guy that got the kitchen. Rockin' just like that.
This is the International Big Mega Radio Smasher.
Hey, having a good time with you. I'm telling you.
Stay up here.
Sorry, Pooh.
We're about to do another song. It's our last song. I started this remix, and it's, I don't know. Let's see. It's all right. Play it. Wait, he said play it. Alright. Ini na yung tauli kong kanta, so everyone has to get up. I want everyone to get up. I need everyone to get up, lose some calories, lose that chicken adobo, and I want to see everyone dancing, so. Alright, let's see how it goes.
Alright.
I got a feeling.
Alright.
That one. The other one. The one before that. There. Turn it up.
Let's go! You know this song, right? Sing it!
Oh my God, jump out that circle. Let's get it. Fill up my cup, not so tall. Look at her dancing, just take it. Let's break it down, we'll shut it down. Let's burn the roof, hey, cause I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Hey, tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's live it up. Go out and smash it. Like, oh my God. Jump out that circle. Let's get it. Feel my girl. Not so tall. Look at her dancing. Just take it. Let's make the town. We'll shut it down. Let's burn the roof. And then we'll do it again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's live it up. Do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Go. 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 Here we go. Here we go. We gotta go. Easy go. Easy go. Now we go.
gonna be a good, good night on the freeway. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
Let's give it up. I got my money. Let's live it up. Go out and smash it. Rock on my block. Jump out the sofa. Let's take it. Fill up my cup. Got some time. Look at her dancing. Just take it. Let's make the town. We'll shut it down. Let's run the groove. Hey. I see it.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. Feeling. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night.
Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's pay it up. Go out and smash. Like on my car. Jump out the sofa. Let's kick it. Fill up my cup. Muscle top. Look at her dancing. Just take it up. Let's make the town. We shut it down. Let's burn the roof. And then we'll do it again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Let's 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 do it. Here we go. Here we go. We gotta run. Easy go. Easy go. Now we on top. Give the shot. Party rock. Rock it so far. Run around. Up and down. Run and run. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You know what we say. Party every day. Party every day. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. Salamat kapalin. Thank you, Aita Brothers. Thank you, Sapang Bato High School, for putting this all together. And I just want to wish you guys a Merry, Merry Christmas. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon, everyone. And enjoy the tibok-tibok na kalamay. Napansin, oh, I need to go on a diet. Diet next year. New Year's resolution. Alright guys, once again, nakasalamat that everyone that put this together for us. And have a Merry, Merry Christmas. And I love y'all. Be careful. Ingat. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so that's for the Apple Day Up concert at SBNHS Junior High School. So this is your Shotgun V. Flores of Friendship Federation. Thank you and Merry Christmas.